Set to work. Put off. Red letter day. Set to naught. Save one's skin. Set out. Pull well with. Rhyme or reason. Peer over.
Break one's heart. Birds of a feather. Break loose. Dead letter. Breath one's last. Broken reed. Draw near. Dried out. To add to. To aim at. Slow down. To break down. So. To bring out. To cope with. Soar up. Slow coach. Slip out of memory.
Beneath the dignity. Call attention. Bell the cat. Capital punishment. Before one's time. Call names. Beside oneself with. Cast a slur on. Beside the mark. Cast a spell. Gala day. In black and white. In due time. Get on. From top to bottom. In broad daylight. In all probability. In cold blood. Gain ground. Get rid of. Give vent to. Cast down. Cast down. Catch a glimpse. Catch a glimpse. By a stroke of the pen. By a stroke of the pen. By halves. By halves. Cast a slur on. Cast a slur on. By no means. By no means. Cat sleep. Cat sleep. Call at. Call at.